But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing.
Oh, hi honeys, how are ya? Tanya Shylock here, and of course welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog, welcome back to another video. Happy November. I hope that you guys, you are fine, amazing, well, and you are pumped up for November. We are almost at the end of the year, and I'm just wishing you the best of the best. Yes, but before actually we dive into today's vlog, first of all, I want to say that if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm Tanya Shylock. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Please do consider subscribing on my YouTube channel for all beauty and lifestyle content, and turn on that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I have a new vlog up on my channel. And for my OBs and my OKs, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so you guys, today it's a beautiful fresh Monday going on over here. I'm traveling to school and I have other errands I have to be running in town, so I'm going to be taking you along. Yes, it's very early in the morning, or super early in the morning. I want to get ready and see myself moving out of here. Yes, so without any further ado, let's move to school. I don't know if I'll remember to show my outfit, but anyways, let me go and take a shower, do my skincare routine, and we move out of here. I think this, orange, is it orange or yellow kind of jumper is the one which is actually reflecting this color on my face. But how are you guys? I hope that you are amazing. I hope that you are fine. First of all, want to say a very, very big thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support you guys have showed me throughout the whole of this year. The whole year have been so consistent, and you guys have been supporting me like crazy. I'll give an example. For last month, October, I was so consistent that you stood in for me. Yes, I don't know if that was right English, but what you have to just know is that you supported me, and it was one of the main factors why I kept uploading vlogs, why I kept moving. Okay, actually I'm going to school. I have some practical sessions, I have some lectures. Actually the whole day I'm busy, and I want to just take you along. Before actually I move out, I want to also show you my fit of the day, as it's a custom for this channel. So on top, I'm just wearing this amazing sweater going on over here. This sweater I bought from Nabukera Plaza back then in 2020. Down, I'm just wearing this amazing sweatpant going on over here. This is also one of my best sweatpants from Pentagon Building. Black moccasins for the shoes. Hopefully you can see very, very well. Okay, so good evening guys. How are you? Hope you are fine, amazing and well. I love the lighting actually on my face this evening, but I'm finally back home. Had such a beautiful day, and I was able to attend to the things I'm supposed to attend to. Currently I'm back home, and I just want to dive in, settle in, do what I'm supposed to be doing. I have some homework on my hand, not like real homework, but I think assignment. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the evening. Another thing that happened today is that I did get my second COVID-19 jab. Yes, finally fully vaccinated. Tanya going on over here. I'm very happy also about that I finally got my second jab for COVID-19. If you don't know, currently in Uganda here, we have around 3 vaccines that we are using. AstraZeneca UK, yes, I think AstraZeneca UK. We are having Sinovac, then we are having Pfizer. Yes, so the 2 others are very present in the country, but Sinovac is kind of in and out. So I was supposed to get my second dose around 2 months ago. I think you guys, I think I remember talking about it in one of the vlogs. If you're very keen, you can remember that. But it was not possible. The vaccine was not in the country. I had to do a lot of waiting. But finally, today I've got it. My hand actually does not hurt as I thought that it would. It was not very bad, but it was kind of bad, if that makes sense, and but finally the good thing, it happened, and my vaccination card shows currently that I'm fully vaccinated, and I'm very happy about that. By the way, vaccination is an option. Yes, in Uganda, it's an option. I'm not telling anyone to go out there to get the vaccine. If you feel like you are not ready, it's an option. You can get it for now, or you can do it later on, of course, in the days or in the coming month. But yes, that is done. Another thing, you guys, currently I want to go show you some sneak peeks of the studio. If you don't know, I'm constructing my own studio filming space where actually I can sit, work, do videos and all that other glam, and the construction has been well ongoing, and I want to just show you some sneak peeks. It has been so costly. A lot of cash has been going through this process, but I thank God that at least we are somewhere. We are at least somewhere. So I'm gonna be also showing you that. Then I eat my supper and head to bed. Let me see you in the morning. Okay, so good morning, guys. Another day, another dollar, going on over here. Actually, I'm very, very happy and above excited. My Instagram, currently, I have one video that is going viral and I'm enjoying, the likes. And I want to also say a very, very, very big thank you to every person who has watched that video and gave it a heart. It's over, I think, 53,000 views on Instagram. And I'm very happy about that. But anyway, all that aside, another day, another dollar. I'm moving out to Kampala. I want to be buying some makeup products. By the way, let me also spill the tea about this. A lot of people don't know that Tanya Shylock buys makeup for himself. A lot of people come into my DMs telling me, Tanya, Gotogula makeup, what. But though I get makeup from brands and different companies, and some of my friends, some of my subscribers, that doesn't take away the fact that I also have to have some products that actually I don't get in those packages that I love and I would love to use on my own. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I need to buy this amazing setting spray, which I'll be talking about when I get it and when I'm showing it to you guys from Langila Jewelry Store. I also want to buy some not bathing but cleansing soap. So if you don't know, the cleanser I use, it is called BB Love Bar Soap from Langila Jewelry Store. So I'm gonna be picking up something like 3 bars to be stocked at least for November, December, January, because most of the time I can use 1 bar for 1 month. So that is it. And what else? I also, by the way, want to buy a tweezer. Yes, this small machine. Is it a machine? Yes, it's a machine that actually pops on lashes. So let's go out right now and let me catch you. Okay, so you guys, finally I'm back home. Yes, had such a beautiful day, amazing day. Met up with some subscribers, loved and lived for it very, very much. They were very, very amazing. Talked to them and I had such a beautiful experience. And then passed via Langila Jewelry Store, picked up the products that I actually wanted to pick up. Also got the tweezer and almost I got everything for sure. I think if by now, if you have reached this moment in the vlog, you have seen me, of course, shop those things from Langila Jewelry Store. But I have the setting spray over here, which I'm going to be talking about in a bit. I also have the tweezers going on over here. I also got the brow pencils. So currently, or if you know me, especially when it comes to makeup and all that, you know that I love using these mini brow pencils. They're not too expensive, I promise. They're about 1,000 a pencil. I also grabbed these. I'm gonna be showing you everything in detail very soon. Then lastly, I did buy this bar soap over here. So right now, let me flip my lens for you guys to see. Okay, so you guys, this is the makeup fix spray that I wanted to buy from Langila Jewelry Store. I always go back to refill when I feel like it is done. This is amazing, completely amazing. So next, you guys, I did buy these amazing brow pencils. This is the 3 of these ones. They are from a brand called Davis. And then this one, the XXL new pencil, got this from Langila Jewelry Store at around, I think, 1,500. Then the 3 of these, they were 2,000 Ugandan shillings. Love this very much. The formula is good. Love this very much. I think you can see the wand. Next, I did get these amazing bar soaps over here. These are my cleansers. These are the bar soaps that actually I use. They are from a brand called One Love. I always get them from Langila Jewelry Store. This big one was around, I think, 2,000 Ugandan shillings. Then these 2, they were 1,000. So lastly, I did get this amazing Most Fruit lip balm going on over here. Yes, got this as, of course, a substitute for my bag. The one in my bag, I gave it out to one of my girlfriends. So yeah, this brings me to the end of this vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family. And let me meet you in the next video. Tanya and Shylock switching out. Bye for now.